Hi there, Nina here from Paint the Kitchen Red. Welcome. I love making frozen fries as a side dish when I'm serving sandwiches or burgers, and I find the air fryer is best for cooking frozen fries. They come out crisp on the outside and tender on the inside. In fact, I prefer using the air fryer over the oven. Start out by putting the air fryer basket in your Instant Pot inner pot. Add the French fries to the basket. I like to use Ore-Ida brand fries. And don't overfill the basket because you want the air to circulate. Program the air fryer to air fry for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Halfway through air frying, the Instant Pot will beep and tell you to turn the food. So go ahead and shake up the fries so that they cook evenly. Put the basket back into the Instant Pot inner pot and put the air fryer lid back on, and the air frying will continue. Once it's done, it'll beep again. You take the lid off, place it on the protective pad, stir up the fries, and if they're not cooked enough, you can add another couple of minutes of air frying. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel.